If your workouts feel rushed and chaotic, you might be missing out on serious gains. Let's fix that. It's all about slow, controlled reps. Start with the lowering phase. Take 4-6 seconds to lower the weight. This builds muscle control and stimulates growth. Then, lift the weight in 2-3 seconds. Focus on activating the muscle, not just moving the weight. Next, the mind-muscle connection. Concentrate on the muscle you're working. This boosts your muscle recruitment and makes every rep count. Don't forget those isometric holds. Pause at the peak of contraction for 2-3 seconds. It intensifies the exercise and deepens muscle engagement. Use moderate weights to perform slow reps with full control. Aim for 8-12 reps and 3-4 sets per exercise. Keep rest periods short, 30 to 60 seconds, to maintain muscle fatigue. Lastly, practice progressive overload. Gradually increase the resistance or volume over time. By slowing down and concentrating on each rep, you're not just working out, you're transforming your body. Ready to see results? Let's do this!